for
Hey,
staying with me.
is this better?
Yes,
I
yes.
can see and hear you.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Thank you. I also hear you.
Okay, great.
Okay, thank you.
Um, so I was going to go through and explain my bookkeeping needs and then ask you a few questions. Do you have any questions before we get started?
No, sure. You can
No.
start.
Okay.
You can start.
Okay. So I think I covered a little bit of this in the job posting, but I have 4 different entities that require bookkeeping. 2 of them are companies. One's a retirement account, and then I rent a room in my home. So the first company has rental properties, and so all of the bookkeeping for the rental properties is done in QuickBooks Online.
Okay.
But the second company, the only thing that so I'm able to keep track of all of that in Excel. My retirement account is also, pretty minimal, and I'm tracking all of that in Excel. And the room rental doesn't need full bookkeeping because I don't need to keep track of income or anything like that. I just need to keep track of the expenses that are associated with that room. So 3 of them, it's done in Excel, and 1 is done in QuickBooks Online.
I see your job description as a responsibility is recording transaction, speed transaction, rules create journal entries and reporting. So since I have certified of QuickBooks Online Pro Advisor.
So could you please tell me a little bit about your career history?
I professional accountant, cost management accountant I studying, also job holder. And this is my passion of work in Upwork and others freelancer market. So I always trying to learn like QuickBooks, Zero, and others accounting professional software.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you.
I'll get back to you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.